We need another Ferrari for the channel.
We on a race? Go!
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today we got a very special, fun video for you guys because in a previous video, I actually went and took my Ferrari F12 to get checked out. I have a potential buyer for this car. I'm not sure yet if I am going to sell it, but today we're going to be driving the Lamborghini Huracan, so we're gonna get a quick cold start on that. But we are talking about, if I sell this Ferrari F12, what could be the next Ferrari for the channel? So not only are we talking about what could be the next Ferrari for the channel, and we're gonna go check out a couple of Ferraris that they have here in a local dealership, but also we're talking about a huge car show coming up in May. So I'm gonna give you guys all of the details if you wanna come down to Ohio and check out this huge car show. The Triple F, auto guys are gonna be there with all types of hypercars that are in their collection because they're from my same neck of the woods here in Central Ohio. They're gonna have their cars there as sort of like the base for the show, but I am going to be revealing my next car for the channel, which is gonna be called YOLO. I'm gonna be revealing it at this car show as well. So if you guys wanna come down and check out all of my cars from the channel, I'll have them at the car show. You guys can take pictures with the cars, sit in the cars, we could talk, chop it up, whatever, right? Have you guys in the video, whatever. So I'm gonna give you guys the details for that car show towards the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But first things first, let's go check out these Ferraris. Just arrived at Mercedes Benz of Easton, and so if you're wondering why we are at a Mercedes Benz dealership, it's because they got a couple of brand new Ferraris that we came to see. Let's go check them out. All right, so Will just showed up, the man of the hour. He's gonna show me these Ferraris. What's your name, brother?
Ron Roberts, salesman here at Mercedes Benz of Easton.
Okay, and yourself?
Kane Avani, portfolio manager here at Mercedes Benz of Easton.
Okay, so sales and portfolio manager.
Yes, sir.
All right, so they was checking out the Huracan. What do y'all think?
It's beautiful, man.
Like it?
Yeah, that paint is everything. It's everything.
Yes, sir. That's that satin chrome wrap material. But I had it wrapped by a gentleman out in on the West Coast, BP Auto Sound. They knocked it out. So we here to check out some Ferraris, man. Are they inside?
They're inside. Yes, sir.
All right, so we about to check out these Ferraris. But y'all make sure to go subscribe. We got a couple of news folks that's gonna check out the channel.
Man.
But yeah, so I came up here to meet with Will because Will is my official. If I have an official photographer, that's it right there. So he's gonna show us these Ferraris. We're gonna talk about it a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can get somebody to steal me the keys. All right, yeah, let's go ahead and get right to it. Let's get right to it. Oh snap! Got them roped off.
Yeah.
That blue one is sick. All right, so we're gonna take a look at these whips real quick. But let me get my stats and figures correct. And we'll talk about them here in a second. All right, before we start taking a closer look at these Ferraris that I'm thinking about, check this out right here. So if you're a Mercedes-Benz fan, you should know what this is. What I like about it is it's got that matte factory paint. They always get the beautiful specs right here. So, oh yeah, happy birthday shout out to my man Hamza.
Appreciate it.
So he came up here to check us out. I know if it was up to Hamza, he'd try to make me buy one of these. But goodness gracious. All right, drop me a comment right now. If you were to buy one of these Ferrari Pistas, which one would you prefer to see? Or which one would you prefer to have? Drop a comment. We got the blue one right here. This is a little bit higher spec. It's got a little bit more carbon fiber on it. It's got a beautiful Alcantara interior that we're gonna get the keys and show you guys. We're gonna look at that a little bit closer. But this one is the more sporty spec. It doesn't have quite as much carbon fiber, but uh-oh. All right, so first of all, let me give a big shout out and a big thank you to Will. Go check him out on Instagram.
Will 3 photo.
All right, y'all check Will out. And then also let me give a big shout out to Mercedes Benz of Easton. So if you're looking for a Mercedes Benz or you're looking for a Ferrari Pista, which I know a lot of you guys probably are, definitely check out Mercedes Benz of Easton. And the general manager, gotta give a big shout out to him, is Daniel G. So you guys holler at Danny G. I'm sure he'll put you in contact with a salesperson. But let's take a closer look at these Ferrari Pistas. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my Ferrari back here and maybe we can kind of work something out. Let's see what happens. All right, so let's take a closer look at this Pista. All right, so let me get exact with it. Ferrari 488 Pista, coupe in silver. Let's take a look at this one first. So the color is it's like a silver color. I don't know the exact name of the color is. Somebody drop a comment on that. Got the red racing stripes on it. Quick look at the interior. Ooh-wee. One thing I'm liking about this one already is the carbon fiber. Look at that carbon fiber on the door. Goodness. It's got a JBL sound system in it. Like I said, racing spec. Look at the steering wheel, man. It's got the
Stripes, Italian
the RPM gauge on it. Looks like my F12 steering wheel. Got the carbon fiber interior package, like on the trim and everything. All right, so what I'm feeling about this, it's a race spec. Like, it doesn't even have floor mats. It actually has like
metal.
Probably, I don't know if that's whatever material this is, or metal. But this is a straight racing spec, man. Sick. It's got the Alcantara like suede feel material, the leather red racing stripe in it. Definitely inspired with a racing theme for this Ferrari 488 Pista. Definitely feeling the race spec, race specification on this one. But let's get a little B-roll of the outside, and then we'll take a look at the blue 488 Pista with the suede Alcantara interior. Check it out. Okay, so we're looking at the blue 488 Pista, and just opening up the door, man, I have a totally different feeling when opening up this door, like a feeling of luxury and what a Ferrari should be when opening up this particular interior in this door as compared to the silver one. So I can already tell you off the bat, for me personally, if I had to pick one of these to own, it would be this one, just based off of the interior. Now, as far as the exterior is concerned, we'll look a little bit closer at the interior, but what I like and don't like. So if this was mine, to be honest, I don't know if I would, I would probably wrap over the racing stripes. I wouldn't remove them because they came with the car and it's a Ferrari, and if you ever resell it, you know, people are going to want it to be how it was from the factory. But I would probably wrap over those racing stripes. I would probably keep the blue, you know, do a PPF on it, because the blue is pretty sick. Maybe change up the wheels. With this blue, I think silver wheels would actually look better with this blue. Although I start to like black wheels more. But yeah, I'll probably cover that up. Maybe do black in the center. And, but that color is pretty sick. All right, so what do you guys think of the Ferrari Pista as compared to the Ferrari F12? We currently still have the Ferrari F12. I have not decided to sell it. I am leaning towards keeping it. However, if we do get rid of it, we need another Ferrari for the channel. All right, let's look at this interior. So it's got the carbon fiber seats. Check this out. Look at that, man. Look at that. Ugh. Now, I don't have carbon fiber seats in my Ferrari. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. It smells good too. I wish I could smell it, man. But you got the carbon fiber seats. They're super light. They're racing spec. They look super comfortable. You got the carbon fiber steering wheel. It's already in race mode, as you guys can see. Gotta have that. And you got all of the new, latest and greatest. Man, this is sick. All right, what do you guys think about the interior, man? Drop me a comment, man. I'm getting hyped up about this. But stay tuned, because we are going to do an announcement about a huge Midwest, Ohio-based car show here at Mercedes Benz of Easton. This whole entire, like all the parking outside, this whole entire area and building is going to be filled up with supercars. Not only supercars, but it's also going to be filled up with some of the nicest hypercars in the entire country and arguably the world. You're gonna think like Ohio and Central Ohio, Columbus, Ohio, you guys are gonna think we're like the Dubai of the Midwest when you see some of the exotic supercars and hypercars that are housed in this area. There's a lot of people doing well and thriving in Ohio. So you guys should come out and see some of those, you know, the spoils of war, you know what I'm saying? Some of the results of all that hard work that people have put in. There's gonna be some supercars, some hypercars right here in Mercedes Benz of Easton. So let me give you guys the details right here on the screen for this magnificent car show. Like I said, I'm gonna have all three of my vehicles at the car show. And when I say three, right now you guys see that I have two. I have the Ferrari F12 and I also have the Lamborghini Huracan, but I am going to be introducing my next supercar for the channel, which is named or dubbed YOLO. I'm gonna be introducing that car. First time I've ever had a car of this spec. I'm gonna be introducing it at the car show. So if you guys wanna check it out, be here in person, get on the video, make sure to make plans to come down. So let me give you the date and the details of the event. Let's go. All right, so those of you guys have not seen it, this is my pride and joy, my 2015 Lamborghini Huracan 610-4 with a little dirt on it. The wrap color is called Satin Chrome Red. This is like my dream car right here. Dream car, dream spec. I wrapped it this satin chrome because that's what I wanted. Like I dreamed about it. I saw a spec like this, but I put my own little touches on it. Like the little lip here, which is brushed aluminum. And I also put that on the ears of the car, which we call these the ears or air intakes right there. Brushed aluminum right there. Car's looking crispy clean. I got a little, yeah, this mug is sickening. So, you know how we do. We got now I can't forget to mention that this car is faster than the normal Huracan 610-4 because it has a supercharger from VF Engineering right there with the little bronze gold. Yeah, this is my pride and joy right here, man. You guys will be seeing more of this car in videos to come because this car is not going anywhere. But let's meet up with Daniel and bring back the Ferrari F12. Look at what we got right here. I'm about to have a little fun with the Guineas. It's my little brother right there. That's my little brother car right there. It's a 2016. I got the 15, so I'm older brother. That's this little brother right here, you know. He trying to be like big bro right there. Nah, man, that mug sick. Got the contrasting brake calipers, of course. Army Strong colors. What's good? We got the young co-pilot right there. What's good?
Co-pilot at the driver's seat. I don't know what you talking
about. How you doing, man? You good? That mug is sick. I just noticed the flake in there.
Oh yeah, there's bugs on it now.
It's got the flake.
That's all I asked.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
It's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. I'm here to tell you guys to go to Wheel Motivation. The exotic cars is crazy. I've been watching this show for a little while now and it's growing. But we need everybody else to subscribe to Wheel Motivation and support Will. I'm supporting them. You do the same.